In today's video, I am going to show you a very simple strategy that you can implement today and start making up to $700 a day with CPA marketing. And if you are watching my videos for the first time, I make videos on how to make money online with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And if you enjoy that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page right here where I literally show you and teach you everything you need to do to start making money in passive income with CPA marketing. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or if you have been making money before. All you literally need to do is follow everything in this program and you will be on your way to making passive income. All right, so what you're going to do, what I'm going to show you in this video is a very simple method, and I can guarantee you that if you apply the same strategy, if you follow everything step by step, you will literally make thousands of dollars every single week. All right, so now the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Instagram and you want to look for make money online accounts on Instagram. Okay, you want to make sure the account has at least 10,000 followers on their page. Okay, so to find this account is very simple. All you literally need to do is type in make money on the search bar right here, and you are going to see a lot of accounts that have up to 10,000 followers on Instagram. So once you have clicked on any of the accounts, what you want to do from here, you want to look for the videos with the highest engagement and you want to download this video. As you can see, this one right here has over 200 likes and over 44 comments on it, and you can see this one over 100. So literally you want to look for their top 5 videos. You can see this is another one right here. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on this video right here. So once you do that, you want to grab the link to this video by clicking on this icon right here, and you want to copy the link to this video. So once you copy the link to that post, you want to head over to a website called iggram.io, and then you want to paste in the link you just copied right here. All right, so once you click on download, it's going to bring the content that you just pasted right here. All right, as you can see right here, this is the video right here from that Instagram page. All you just need to do is click on this download button right here. So I'm going to click on this download. So once I do that, as you can see right here, I can download this video right to my PC. Okay, so all I need to do is click on this download right here. And as you can see, the video is being downloaded. You are going to repeat this same process for 5 other posts on the channel to make it a total of 6 posts. So once you've done that, once you've downloaded all the content, all you need to do from here, you want to create an Instagram account in the make money online niche. All right, so once you've created an account, you want to give it a name that resonates with the niche. So once you have your account created, I believe everyone can do that. So once you have the account created, you literally want to post those content to your account. And also once you posted this content, you want to make sure you give credit to the owner of the content. Is very important so that you don't get your content removed or deleted. All right, so once you have that done, the next step now, you want to go over to your CPA network. It doesn't matter, you can use OG Ads, CPA Grip, or CPA Lead. So you can usually use OG Ads, you can use CPA Grip, and you can use CPA Lead. And I am going to be taking CPA Lead as an example in this video because you can get paid even on the same day. All right, as you can see, there's a feature right here that says fast pay. And what this means is you can request for payment anytime you like. As you can see right here, fast pay eligible, receive payment for these offers whenever you decide to cash out. All right, so which means if you make $100 that day, you can get paid your $100 that same day. All right, so what you want to do from here, you want to make sure you click on this fast pay, and this is going to filter to offers that allows you to get paid on that same day. So if you scroll down right here, as you can see, there are a bunch of offers right here. You can see this one is going to pay you $2.90 per conversion. All right, so as you can see right here, $300,000 play sweepstake, win free $1,000 gift Visa card. All right, so basically you want to scroll to the next page and you want to look for this type of offers. So once you click on the offers, you can see right here the payout is $2.90. All right, so all you want to do from here, you want to copy the link to this offer right here, and then you want to go over to Google and you want to type in OmniLink, and you want to click on the first link on Google, and it's going to bring you to this page. For those who don't know what this website is all about, this website allows you to share multiple content with just one link. All right, so all you just need to do is click on the sign up button here. So you are going to be sharing a lot of CPA offers, and that way you are going to be making a lot of money with just one link. All right, so you want to click on this sign up right here. So once you're signed up, this is what your account is going to look like right here. So once you're signed up, you want to basically change this to something simple like this: best ways to make money online. So you want to leave a profile image right here. You want to make sure whatever image you are using right here is the same as the one on your Instagram profile. All right, so that way people know it's actually legit. All right, so once you have that done, all right, now you are going to replace all these with your CPA links. And what you want to do from here, you want to click on this icon right here to edit these links. So now you are going to change this, check my Instagram. All right, you are going to come over here and you are going to copy heading of this offer, all right, which says enter and win $300,000 for free. And you are going to go back to your OmniLink and you are going to paste that right here, as you can see right here. And also, once you've done that, like I said, you want to go back to your CPA lead account and you want to copy this affiliate, your CPA link again, and you are going to paste the link right here. This is the first link. All right, so you are going to paste that link right here. So basically you want to repeat this same process for this other section right here. So as you can see right here, I have edited the other links right here with other offers right here. You can see the first one, enter and win $300,000 for free. The second one, win free $1,000 Visa card, and you can see there are other offers right here. So basically, once people click on the link and then they see this offer right here, so if one person comes to the link and complete all of these offers right here, you are going to be making a lot of money every single day. Literally, one person can earn you about $10 for completing all of these offers right here. Like I showed you, you can see the offer paid $2.90. All right, so basically you can delete this section right here by clicking on this, and then you want to come over here and click on delete. All right, as you can see, you don't need this section, so you can just delete that. So once you're done, all you just need to do is click on save right here. So once you click on save, now you want to click on this section to copy your link, and now we are going to be open the link in a new tab. All right, as you can see, this is the link right here: best ways to make money online. So basically all they need to do is sign up for these offers, and you are going to be making money in return for them doing so. Okay, so now driving traffic, all you just need to do, like I said, go back to your Instagram account. After publishing about 6 content on your Instagram account, you want to come over to the edit profile section, and then you want to paste in your link right here to this section that says website. So this is where you are going to be pasting your link. All right, so once you pasted that right there, all you just need to do is go over to accounts like this, like the first one I showed you. You want to go over to the content, and you want to follow these people who are making comments on their videos or their images, and you want to basically follow all these people right here. All right, so basically not all of them will follow you back, but they are going to get notified by Instagram that you follow them, and once they see your notification, they get the chance to come over to your profile. And if they click on the link and come over to this page you made on OmniLink, once they land on this page, there's a very good chance that they are going to complete some of these offers, because we already know they are interested in making money online, and you have a very high chance that they are going to complete some of the offers, if not all. All right, so basically you don't need a lot of followers. All you just need to do is to follow as many people as you can every day, and let Instagram notify these people that you follow them. And once they come over to your page, like I said, they don't even need to follow you at all. All they need to do is click on the link in your bio, and once they complete any of the offers, you get paid. So basically that is how simple and easy you can start driving targeted traffic to OmniLink. And keep in mind, you don't have to use make money online niche alone. You can use other niches as well. So basically I just use this as an example, but you can implement this method in any other niche of your choice. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.